Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing to change firmware or system settings. Save all files and close apps. Reboot and press the correct firmware key repeatedly to enter BIOS or UEFI. This puts you in the environment that controls FN behavior. Once inside, navigate with arrow keys to Advanced, System Configuration, or Keyboard Settings. Locations vary by vendor. Make sure to look for an entry labeled Function Key Behavior, Action Keys Mode, or Hotkey Mode, so you can change how F1, F12 respond without the FN button. Once done locating the right option, select Function Key Behavior, Action Keys Mode, or Hotkey Mode, and change its value so F1, F12 sends standard F key signals without pressing FN. You do this because manufacturers default to media or special actions. Switching to function keys ensures apps like IDEs and games receive F key input directly. After changing, make sure to save before exiting. Most systems use F10 to save and exit, but follow on-screen prompts. The system reboots with the new behavior active for all users. The final steps address cases where firmware lacks a toggle. Boot back to your OS and open the manufacturer keyboard utility or device manager to check drivers and keyboard settings. You test the F keys in a simple text editor, then in the actual application to confirm they now act as standard function keys. If things go wrong, reinstall or update the keyboard driver, check for BIOS/UEFI firmware updates, and try an external keyboard to isolate hardware faults. These steps usually pinpoint and resolve residual issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.